May multa ba ang hindi pagkuha ng Fire Safety Evaluation Clearance sa Bureau of Fire Protection? Dun sa Section 4 ng ating Rule 12, Paragraph B, Subparagraph 8.c ng ating Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations, states that yung mga administrative fine for failure to secure and submit documentary requirements such as but not limited to the Fire Safety Evaluation Clearance prior to the construction of the building is 37,500 to 50,000 pesos. Pero dapat before the imposition of the administrative fine, the concerned entity, he or she must be initially informed or noticed and given the opportunity to be heard and to correct whatever violations he committed. So, doon yung papasok yung ating to notice role ng BFP. So una, mag-i-issue si BFP ng notice to comply stating that the owner or the occupant must secure first the fire safety evaluation clearance. So after the grace period of 15 days, kapag hindi sila makapag-comply, doon na papasok si notice to stop work and impose the penalty or administrative fine. So yun po yung ginagawa ni BFP for the to notice role na may penalty ang ating mga client kung hindi sila kukuha ng fire safety evaluation clearance. So ngayon, alam mo na kailangan magkuha muna ng fire safety evaluation clearance prior to the construction of the building. For more videos and updates, please follow my page. Thank you.